All right, so you need to make sure that you're on time next time, okay?
Yes.
I understand that the traffic is bad and 281 is bad, but all right. And thank you for dressing appropriately for court. You always do, but I appreciate that. So today is the final day for discovery. Counsel, if you'll state your name. All right, so do you have all of the discovery?
We have obtained the arrest record, the arrest pictures from the federal marshals. So we did receive that. The prosecutor did meet with the complainant and tried to see if there were any other videos that we were looking for, but she's confirmed that there are no other videos. The prosecutor also stated that she's confident that there's no pictures taken from the university hospital by the officers. We had believed that maybe there were, but the officer was sent away and she's pretty confident that there are no pictures.
All right, so is there anything else you think that maybe is out there that you don't have?
The prosecutor says she's going to follow up with university hospital to see if there are any scans. We believe that we did see scans in the file previously, but they aren't there now.
And when you say scans of what?
Like hospital scans, x-rays, medical photos.
Okay. All right.
Judge, and just to speak to that, so when we were here last setting, I know the court informed me that this was our last discovery setting, and so I did everything that they asked last setting. The scan, this is the first I'm hearing of it. I have no knowledge of that. They've represented to me that they were formerly in the file and are not. The entire time that the file has been in my possession, I have not seen that. I did ask the previous prosecutor whether he had any knowledge of that, and he stated that he had never seen it as well. But just to comply with what they're asking for, I told them that I would reach out to university again, but I'm not sure. So.
All right, so counsel, other than the scans, is that the final item?
Yes, those are discovery issues.
All right. So you're reaching out to university today?
Yes, Judge. I mean, so we have the medical records. And whatever they're referring to, these x-rays, I would assume that they would be turned over with the medical records, but we don't have them. I've never seen them before. So it's something that I do need to reach out and ask if they have, but to my knowledge, I don't, this is the first I'm learning of it.
All right, and were you able to tender an offer?
I will do that today.
All right. So I'm going to set you all for a plea deadline date. You all need to confer off docket with regards to the discovery issues. Of course, if there is an issue where you don't have discovery and it actually exists, you can let the court know. But your discovery deadline, Ms. Ferguson, put this for the week of February 17th for a plea deadline date. All right, your plea deadline date be February 17th. Mr. Smith, on that date, you need to let the court know whether or not you've reached an agreement with the state. If you have not reached an agreement, your next setting is going to be a trial setting.
Yes, ma'am.
All right, and then parties, you'll need to be prepared on that date also to sign an acknowledgement of discovery. Counsel, is there anything else?
That's it. Thank you.
All right, you're doing a great job.
Thank you.
All right, once you all sign the reset form, you'll be excused. If you'll have a seat, they'll bring the reset form to you.
Thank you.
You're welcome. All right, Julio Smith.
Yes. No. Okay. Thursday it is.
Thank you for being on time and dressing appropriately, but I know you're always on time. All right, we're going to go on the 2024 CR 007457 State versus Julio Perez Smith. Can I have parties announce for the state? State? Anyone from the? All right. For the defense?
Stephanie Stevens, Tess Busick, Andrea Villa.
All right. Cindy, did you get everybody's name for the defense?
Tess Busick, Bussick.
All right, and these are your student attorneys?
Correct, Your Honor.
All right, so student attorneys, I think this may be your first dismissal. I may be wrong. Am I wrong or?
My, yeah, she has one. This is my first one. So.
Well, here you are.
Thank you.
You're welcome. All right, so they're dismissing the case for missing witness. So whatever brought you here today, make sure you don't come back for this. You understand? All right, good luck to you. Thank you.
Thank you,
Good
Your
luck,
Honor.
guys. Oh, and Stephanie, to your students, if they want a copy of that record, so
Okay.
they can have a copy for their parents. I know parents love to frame everything. You're welcome.
Later.